Okay. So once again, we're going to test if these 5 substances are acids or base. Okay, so like I said here on the board, the litmus paper only indicates is it an acid or is it a base. Okay, now earlier in your book, you wrote down about litmus paper. If it's blue, it indicates that it is a base. If it is red, it indicates that it is an acid. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the red ones. If I put it in and it remains red, then it's an acid. But if I put it in and it goes to blue, then it's a base. And then afterwards, I'm going to do the same with the blue ones. So if I put it in and it remains blue, then it's a base. If I put it in and it goes red, it's an acid. Okay. So let's start with this one. It's going blue. Do you guys see?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not very blue, but blue nonetheless. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. Okay, there you can actually see clearer it went blue. Do you guys see there?
Yes, ma'am.
Blue. Okay. Next one. Fresh paper. This one didn't mix lacquer, but it's okay. Ooh, I put in the wrong color. But do you guys see this one went red?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this is an acid.
Instantly.
Remember, if it goes red, it's an acid. We don't know that. Gonna put it in here.
Acid.
It's not actually an acid, but never mind. Papers are lying. Red, but you guys get the idea. If it goes red, it's an acid. If it remains blue, you guys see the clear indication.
Yes.
So this in here is an acid. Smell it. What is it?
Ma'am, that must be like, I don't know what that is.
What is it?
Vinegar.
It's vinegar.
Yeah. It smells bad.
I'll come to vinegar. Okay, now.
Vinegar is acid.
I don't know what you thought.
And you see this one is also acid.
Ma'am, where are all the bases?
Those 2 are bases. This one I'm not going to tell you. These 2 are acids.
Ma'am, aren't you going to tell us?
The one in the middle is remember that Sika water?
Yes. Okay. So as it is now, we can't say is it a strong acid or a strong base. We can only say it is an acid or it is a base. I hope I didn't mix up my chemicals. It might be. Okay. Then when we move on to universal indicators. So you either get drops or you get also papers. And you guys see, I'll show you there. It has a little wheel there.
Yes, ma'am, the darker it is, the more powerful it is.
Sort of. The darker red it is, the stronger the acid is. So if you look there, the 1 is red. But here by the 5, 6, it's orange. Do you see?
Neutral.
And then 7,
Neutral.
yeah, and then it goes green, greener, even darker green. And then it goes almost to like a deep navy blue there.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's not necessarily just darker. The more red it becomes, the stronger the acid. The darker green or blue it shows, the stronger the base. Okay, so if you have seen those tests they do on a swimming pool,
So it's chlorine, ma'am.
sort of like chlorine. So they have like a little test strip and it has a few blocks on it. And you dip it into your water and then it tells you you must add chlorine or you must do this or you must do that. That's basically just a strip with different universal indicators on it telling you what the pH of your pool is. But instead of saying the pH of your pool is 4, what must you do with that information? It shows you the pH, but it tells you how to rectify that. So you get like a little strip that you dip into your pool, and then it tells you from this color to this color, it's safe. From this color to this color, it needs acid. From this color to this color, buy this product, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's see. I think I might have mixed up one of my chemicals
That's not good, ma'am.
because you are not behaving like you should.
It didn't even
Yeah,
mix.
Josh.
This one could be in your class.
Yes.
She is funny.
Yes, ma'am, I got that now. That's like Joshua.
Okay, this is universal indicator.
Oh, that's strong. That's acid.
Well, how come one of them are just turning red?
Because the
Not
acid-
all of them are turning red.
Sanjeev, nobody knows.
Okay, now I definitely mixed up one of mine.
I remember.
Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's still going to show us what we need to see. Do you guys see that this, and it's quite a strong base. Do you guys see that's quite a dark?
What is it now?
This one, no.
Bleach.
This one is sodium hydroxide.
Substance.
This one, I thought,
And man, we must get it at the bottom of the thing. And that looks like soap water.
it was supposed to be like a soapy thing, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Can you guys see that it clearly doesn't just say that this is an acid, it shows how strong an acid it is. What are you guys doing?
And the soap
Yes.
So man, that's the what's the sulfuric acid.
This one is supposed to be green,
Huh?
or like a very light yellow, because this
Is it a
is water.
man, I don't know which step. That was a school step name.
It's a school tap water.
I knew it. I knew it.
I mean, it's damn what.
That's strong acid. That's about damn what them.
No, but what might have happened is I took these off the test tube rack, so maybe
Secondary water.
before it had a strong acid in it. Come now.
Man, it's not gonna
It's not gonna do anything.
damn water is damn water.
Damn water is damn water.
Yes, man.
Okay, but this one I actually wanted to show you guys. This one is sulfuric acid.
Yeah.
Do you guys see that's like red, red? Let me show it to you in front of a paper. So this one is a dark red. So let's take our acidic water. Do you guys see? Both of them are acids. So both of them colored the litmus paper red. Ne? But if you didn't know, you could have drank this one instead of this one because you don't know how strong an acid something is by only tasting it with a litmus paper.
And if you drop that thing, man, what's gonna happen?
It's gonna burn.
Yeah, it's gonna burn.
I promise.
Can you pull them a page or something, please?
No, we're not setting anything on fire today.
What on fire, man? Yeah, it's
Okay. You guys see, this is a nice color. The base made a really nice color. Okay. What would you guys say if you look at the universal indicator in your books? Quickly page to page 94. Strong, no base. Strong acid or strong base. Look at the color, not of the consistency. This is a very strong base. If it's a weaker base, it would have been like a light green. So you have to look at the color, not at the consistency of it. Well, if you go and you compare those two, do you guys see this one is almost an orange? So it's weaker than this one. This one is like a very dark red. I don't know if you guys can see it on there.
And man, the glass is strong.
What glass? Yeah, it's not reactive. Okay.